Morning students. Today we will our discuss changing color scheme. हम प्रेजेंटेशन की जो कलर है कैसे चेंज करते हैं इसके बारे में हम आज सीखेंगे. स्टूडेंट्स, एवरी प्रेजेंटेशन कम विद कलर स्कीम. जितने भी प्रेजेंटेशन होते हैं वो अलग अलग कलर स्कीम में आते हैं. तो यू कैन चेंज द कलर ऑफ द कंप्लीट प्रेजेंटेशन और सिंगल स्लाइड. आप इस पावर पॉइंट के जरिए आप एवरी स्लाइड के कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं या तो सिंगल स्लाइड के भी कलर चेंज कर सकते हैं. जैसे आप देख रहे कि दैट्स आर बोथ स्लाइड इन दिस पावर पॉइंट. ओके, then you can change the color only one slides or you can change the color complete presentations. Okay, the color of the specific element on a slide. अभी जो कलर का फॉर्मेट होता है वो एक एलिमेंट है, वो आपके स्लाइड के ऊपर होता है कि आप उस स्लाइड के ऊपर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. जैसे you can see this is a titles. Okay, you can apply color on this title. Background, this is a background. You can apply the color schemes on this background. You can any color apply on this background. You can any color apply on this title. This is a title and this is background. You can apply any color on these titles and background. So you can change the color. Okay, to follow these steps. Okay, students, you can follow these steps one by one. Open any slide of presentations. You can see I am opening this number of slides in this presentation. You can open any slides, okay, in our presentation. This is a Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, this Microsoft PowerPoint is available in Microsoft Office. You can open first Microsoft PowerPoints. Okay, and in this Microsoft PowerPoints you can open any slide of presentation. Okay, then next click on the design tabs. Okay, you can see the design tabs are available in this Microsoft PowerPoints. Okay, you can click on these design tabs. Okay, then go to theme group. You can see this is a theme group. You can apply any theme on a single slide or a complete presentation slides. Okay, go to theme group. This is a number of themes, number of different themes. Okay, number of different varieties of themes are available in these theme groups. You can choose any one, depends on your choice, and apply on a presentations. Okay, as you are over the mouse over any themes, you can cursor move any themes. Okay, and apply on your presentation. So it is reflected on the slide. You can see, you can move the cursor any themes, you can see the results. These themes reflect on the slides. Okay, you can see this theme reflect on the slides. You can choose any one slides as depends on your choice and apply on these side presentations. Then next, right click on the selected themes. First you can select any one theme. Okay, as depends on your choice. Suppose I want to apply these themes on a slide presentations. Okay, then right click on the selected theme. Okay, you can choose any ones. I am select these themes and right click on these themes. Okay, then select the set as default theme options from the shortcut menu. Okay, you can see this is a shortcut menu. You can select set as default theme option. The theme will be applied to all slides. Okay, the theme will be applied to all slides. Set as default theme. You can see the number of slides that's available in this Microsoft PowerPoints, and these complete presentations are changed. आप देख रहे हैं कि पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन चेंज हो गया है. उसके ऊपर जो मैंने थीम सिलेक्ट की है वो थीम उसके ऊपर अप्लाई हो गई है. You can select any themes. Okay, suppose I want to select these themes and apply to all the presentation slides. First select any one themes. Okay, so suppose I want to select these themes, then right click on these themes select set as default theme. Okay, then you can click on these themes. You can see the results. This slide themes complete change the presentations. जितने भी presentation available है Microsoft PowerPoint में, वो सारे presentation उस theme के जरिए आपकी presentation change हो गई है, यानी वो theme जो है आपके presentation slide पे apply हो गई है. Then click on the color buttons. You can see this is a color buttons, and select the desired color format. You can select any desired color formats and apply on the presentation slides. You can select anyone. Okay, in this drop down menu there are more color schemes are available. You can choose anyone and apply your presentation. Okay, apply on our presentations. Then to apply the color scheme to all the slides, suppose you want to apply this color scheme to all slides, so then right click on the color scheme. Suppose I want to apply this color theme, okay, on all slides, then I am right click on this scheme. Okay, I am right click on this color schemes, then click on apply to all slide option. Okay, then select the apply to all the slides options. Okay, you can see the result reflected on every slides. Okay, the color scheme change to every slides. In case you want to apply the color scheme only to the selected slide, then select the apply to selected slide options. Suppose you want to change the color scheme only one slide. Okay, then you can click on this presentation. Okay, then after click on the color scheme buttons. Okay, this is a theme color. Okay, then click on this theme color groups. You can see drop down menu appears on this color scheme buttons. You can select any ones. Okay, suppose you want to apply any one color scheme on your presentation, just select any ones and then right click on this color scheme and apply to selected slide. यानी आपको सिर्फ जो सिलेक्ट साइड अपने जो स्लाइड सिलेक्ट किए उसके ऊपर ही कलर स्कीम अप्लाई करना है. तो यू कैन चूज दिस ऑप्शन अप्लाई टू सिलेक्टेड स्लाइड, यानी आपको आपने जो स्लाइड सिलेक्ट की है उसके ऊपर ही कलर स्कीम अप्लाई करनी है तो आप ये ऑप्शन अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको पूरी स्लाइड जो कंप्लीट प्रेजेंटेशन है उसके ऊपर ये कलर स्कीम अप्लाई करनी है तो आप अप्लाई टू ऑल करो. अप्लाई टू ऑल यानी जो जितनी भी प्रेजेंटेशन है उसके ऊपर एक कलर स्कीम अप्लाई हो जाएगी. अगर आपको एक ही स्लाइड पे करना है कलर स्कीम अप्लाई करना है तो यू कैन चूज अप्लाई टू सिलेक्टेड स्लाइड ऑप्शंस. ओके, यू कैन सी only one slides color scheme are changed. Okay, you can see this is a only one slide color scheme are changed. So thank you students.